Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily create a Payoneer account that you can use to send and receive money internationally. So take for example, you are into freelancing, you could actually set up a Payoneer account, then gain access to USD bank account and send to your client and use it to receive payment from them, or send to your customer and use it to receive payment from them. So if you're into e-commerce, dropshipping, or any sort of online business that requires you to have a US bank account to receive payment from your customer or client, you can definitely set up a Payoneer account and use it to get paid. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can set it up, get access to your US bank account and use it to receive payment from your customer. So the first thing we have to do now is to go to the description of the video. So I'm going to add a link at the description of the video. So just go there. When you click the link, you get to see a page like this. So when you click the link, you get to gain access to $50 sign up bonus. So when you create your account with Payoneer, you'll be able to access this bonus of $50 when you receive certain amount of money into your Payoneer account. Alright, so to get started, just click on this sign up button that says sign up and earn $50. So when you click on it, it's going to redirect you to where you can actually create your account. Alright, so this is the sign up form. So the first thing you can see here is your business registered with any government business licensing or tax authorities? No, my business isn't registered. Yes, I own a registered business. So if you have an incorporated business in the US, that is, if you want to register a business account with Payoneer, the second option is what you're going to choose. So since you're going to be opening a personal account, so the first option is what you're going to be selecting. Alright, so leave it at no, my business isn't registered. So the next thing you want to do here is come over here, then enter your first name, enter your last name, your email address, re-enter the email address, then your date of birth. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is come over here, then click on next so you can proceed. So let me quickly enter mine so we can proceed. Alright, so I've just entered that. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on the next button. Now this is just a dummy account because I already have an account with Payoneer already. So this is just to walk you through how you can get it done yourself. Alright, so what we're going to do now is click on next. So the next step here is your contact details. So what you want to do is you want to select your country. After you've selected your country, you want to enter your street and number. Then after that, scroll down, then enter your mobile number. So the mobile number you entered here, they're going to send a verification code to this number. So make sure the number is correct. So once you enter the number, an OTP is going to be sent to the number. Enter the OTP here, and once you verify the number, all you simply need to do is scroll down, then click on next. So let me quickly enter mine so we can proceed. Alright, so I've just entered my contact details. I've entered my street number, my town, my postal code, and added my phone number, and a verification code has been sent to the phone number, and I've just entered it. So once you've done that in your own case, the next thing you have to do is just scroll down, then click on next. So at this stage, they're going to ask you to enter a password for your account. So enter your password here, then we enter the password. Then after that, come over to security question here, then select a security question for yourself. So this security question is one of the things they're going to be asking you in case you lost your password or you want to reactivate your Payoneer account or something like that. So just scroll through the security question and choose the one you are certain you're going to remember. So I'm going to go with the first one, then I'm going to enter the security answer here. Then after that, enter your national ID for you to verify your account. So what you want to do is you want to select your country. Then once you've selected your country, select the ID type you're going to be using. If it's going to be national ID, if it's going to be driver's license, passport, just choose the one you're going to be using. Then after that, enter the phone and enter the ID number here. So let me quickly enter mine so we can proceed. So I've entered all my details. So the next thing I'm going to do now is come over here, then click on next. So finally, what you're going to be doing here is to enter an account that you're going to be using to withdraw the money that comes into your Payoneer account. So like I said, once you start using your Payoneer account to receive USD, now you can now easily withdraw this USD to your local bank account and withdraw it to your local currency. So what you want to do is you can either add your personal accounts or add your business accounts. So I'm going to choose personal, then enter my personal account so we can proceed. So once you've done that, the final thing you have to do is just come over here, then click on submit. So once you click on submit, they're going to review your account. then send an email to you when your account has been activated. Now this is just a tutorial account. I have an account with them already, so I just want to show you how you can get it done yourself. So the next thing I'm going to do now is go back and log into my own personal account, then show you how you can gain access to your USD bank account inside your Payoneer account. So this is my account, so all I have to do is just click on sign in so we can proceed. So as you can see, I've just logged into my Payoneer account. So once you've created your own Payoneer account and your account is being activated, so if you want to gain access to your USD bank account, what you want to do is you just want to scroll through the currency in your dashboard, then select USD. So once you click on USD, by the right hand side here, you're going to gain access to your USD bank account inside your Payoneer account. So looking at my own here, all I have to do is click on view info. So when I click on view info, it's going to bring out all my banking details. So this is the bank name, this is the bank address, the routing number, the account number, the account type, which is checking, and the beneficiary name and the bank address. So this is basically how you can create a Payoneer account, add your own local bank account to it, and withdraw your funds from your Payoneer account to your local bank account. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.